Hello, and this tutorial we'll learn how to import products from Shopify. Import products from Shopify, as it says right over here. So you just go to Shopify in your store, you click on Shopify, and it says please make sure you're creating access token to provide these scopes. So read products, read locales, and read translations. All right, this might take a little bit of time. As you can see, this process may take a little time. Please be patient. Admin API access token, that's what we will need, and the name of the store. And I repeat over here, is not the www.com, either example.com. It is the store name. But I will show that. It is actually the Shopify store, nothing to do with your domain name. So let's go ahead. Let's go to our Shopify store. First of all, let's start from the beginning. So just to have an overall how our platform works and how fast it could be. So this is approximately 500. Well, this is 500 products that we have over here. So let's go ahead and import all these products with just a few clicks. All right. So first of all, you go to settings. We go to apps, we develop app, and this is the first thing what you'll see, create app. We give a name to our app. Let's say Renue Marketplace. All right. Let me create app. Just give it a second. So there you go. And we have configuration admin API scope. This is what we need, because it said retrieve and sync store data with the admin API. This is what we need right here. So we click on configure API scope, and is that what we needed here, right? As it says over here, provide the following scope. So we need read products, read locales, and etc. So first of all, let's start with read dash products. There you go. So we have write products feed, read products feed. I do have over here listed everything what we need. So we go write products, and I'll add these below in this video just to be sure. So first of all, interesting. It's not, there you go. Now, yes, Command C to copy, or you can just type it. There you go. So this is to view products, variants, and collections. I clicked on both, but it's fine. And here we go. So let's go read products. We save. There we go. We have one. And also you have by what it says over here, it says to read products, read locales, and read translations. So we just need to read it. So let's go back. Next it is, let's go guide by what we wrote here. Read locales. So we copy, we go back, we paste, we save. Next, read translations. So you just can copy it right from here and just go back to your store, and that's it. Simple as that. And read translation and save. Great, and this is all what we need. Now next step, it is to install the app. So once we have installed the app, what do we need? We need the API access token. So we go back, we reveal the token, as you can see, it's the admin API access token. We copy it. Do not share this with anybody. This will be deleted by the end of this tutorial. So we go back, we copy and paste it. And now we will need the shop name. And you are probably wondering, oh, it's just the name of my domain, but no, it is not. Click on home. Once you click on home, This is right here. Is this what we are looking for? We copy, you go back, we paste, and we click on import. This might take a little while, so I'll probably fast forward this, or if you want to stay for the long ride, you can go. Just to check if everything is working correctly, you can go to System, Job, and as you can see, the process is working. Duration, 19 seconds, around that, and also, that's you can see, and you can also see, if you click on how the percentage will be changing, well, and the same, you can also see that we are already importing the products. For now, it seems like we already imported around 33 products out of 500, and the percentage have not changed, but sometimes you can just click on refresh and see how it's going. And also you can check on the system how it is, on job queue, how is working, the duration, if everything is working correctly, how much attempts, 0 to 2, great, wonderful. All this extra information is not very necessary to you to know. It is more for us and for the developers to see if everything is working correctly and if we have the correct access. As you can see, access token, if the shop name is correct. All right, this is just for us to see if everything is working correctly. If any given moment, if you have any doubts or need some help. And as you can see there, everything is continuously updating and visible, so that's wonderful. Now let's just check. All right, it's continuing. There you go. So 20%, we almost there. What else? Well, I like to, in the meantime, sometimes you can just go and grab a coffee, come back, or yeah, just wait for it. Just wait a little bit and just check. Once in a while, you can just come back and check. But for now, it has passed not so long time, so we are fine. And this takes away a lot of time. Does not take very much. So 2 minutes and 29 so far. Not bad at all for 500 products that are being imported, and also with their images. And as you can see here, let me just move away my head. All the products are disabled because we would like you to just double check if everything is correct, and if everything is correct as it's supposed to be, and probably you need to make some adjustments. I would recommend to always check if everything is correct and make those adjustments, right? It is important. Maybe there's some information that is missing or some updates that you would like us to do in the importation, just let us know. All right, let's see. Let's have a look at how it's going so far. We have 40%, that's great. Let's see how long it is taking so far. And we are doing this actually live. This is no editing whatsoever. It's been 3 minutes, 3 minutes and 43 seconds. All right, let's see how many. We have 233, not bad. Let's have a look on the Shopify, how it's going. We're still on 40%. Not bad at all. Probably I'll fast forward this. Okay, there you go. So far, 40%. We have gotten, yes. Importing progress, 40%. Wonderful. Let's have a look at the products. Let's see. 293. probably the best way is to fast forward this instead of waiting. %60. 60%, great. And let's see, so far 328. That's pretty good. $357. Awesome. $381. So we have 80%. Let's see, 417 has been imported. And that took so far 6 minutes, 7 minutes to import about 441 products. Not bad at all. %. We got 20% left. Awesome. We are almost there. Let's see how many products. 485. That's great. We are just missing about 15. And I think so it is about 500 products, if I'm correct, or a little bit less, to be imported. So that's awesome. And we are done. It took 6 minutes and 4 seconds. I wanted to show that live, just to show you guys that it does work. And there you go. I think yes, 500 products, because the other 3 products are from the previous, right? It's from the ones of the previous one that we uploaded. And so we uploaded 500 products in the time of, let's say, 6 minutes and 4 seconds. I think so that's pretty good. So let's have a look at our products, and let's have a look. Let's have a look at one. There you go. And voila, there you are with all the information. And as I said in a previous video, here you have the Shopify ID of this product. You will need to add of course, the weight of the product. You just have to review everything. You have to give it a collection. You need to edit an image just to make everything correct, right? Just to see if you may need to make it visible, right? But always double check. That's why it is disabled. So you just make everything sure that they're collections and so on. Not what you could do is there's many ways you could you can just, we prefer if you can just select what is important for you. So you can just click here and go ahead, update, just slowly, right? All right. So let's see if everything is correct. So let's go to our store. What we did right now is, because if not, the tutorial, I have to go through 500 of them and just check all 500 of them. But just for this tutorial, let's just see if everything is imported in our storefront. So let's go back, let's go down, and let's just quickly refresh. Okay, quickly refresh and see all products. There you go. The ones that we have disabled are showing up here. Great, wonderful. And yeah, that's about it. And that's the full tutorial about how to import Shopify products to your marketplace, to your own store. All right, and that's about it. So see you in the next one. Bye.